So after seeing various numericals and the formulas on integration, let's see properties of indefinite integral. So the first property is integration and differentiation are the reverse processes of each other. This we already know, this is the basic thing that we studied in the first video, that integration and differentiation are the reverse processes. That means if I have integration, I can even name it as antiderivative, because antiderivative means the reverse of derivation, derivative, which is integration. Next property is two indefinite integrals with the same derivative. Two indefinite integrals with the same derivative leads to the same family of curves. This is what we studied in the geometrical interpretation, that if I have different values of arbitrary constant c, those will give me the different members of the same family of curves. Remember that parabola example, refer to the video on geometric interpretation. Next is, if you have two terms which are added up and integration sign is outside, you can always separate the integrals with both. This is same as differentiation, right? So integration can be separated and different times you can find integration and then club the results. So next is, for any real number k, integration of k times fx dx is equal to k coming outside. So you can always switch the constant such that it can come outside and rest you have to integrate just as differentiation. So all these are important and they are based on differentiation and the concepts we studied in the previous video of integration. We will be seeing more numericals on these properties in the next videos.